Hello guys, welcome to another interesting video in the code mode, and today we are going to see how we can deploy React.js project into the cPanel, and we will buy a custom domain and then integrate it with the Cloudflare CDN and a web hosting. And here is the quick overview of the code mode. So if you don't have subscribed to this channel, please share, like and subscribe, as it will encourage us and help us to create more useful content. And if you feel any issue while following the step of this video, please reach me out in the comment section. So let's start. Here is a React.js project that I already have created. So if you want this project, the link of this is in the description. And here is my app.jsx, and in this we can see different React component. Here is the utils folder, and in the components folder we can see different components, and we are going to build this project with the help of npm run build. It will create the dist folder. As in the package.json we can see this command, like in the scripts we can see build command. Alright, the command has been executed successfully, and we can see dist folder along with the assets, favicon, images and index.html, and we will copy and paste these files into our web hosting in the upcoming part. So let's move to the next and search Namecheap, as I am going to use it as domain name providers. You can use anyone according to your ease and comfort. The steps will remain same, and just search your favorite domain. And for this tutorial I will use a simple key just for the demo, and search. Alright, now we can see. So here is our domain in $11.28 for a year, along with the different variant and their prices. So you can choose anyone, like in .com, .net, .org. They have the different prices, and I will go with the .com. Add it, and here we can see the additional things. So if you want to buy, and if you want to add any other domain, you can add it from here. Just check out, and it will take us to the details section. Here we can select the year, and currently 1 year is selected, and along with this we can also add like premium DNS, but I don't think so we need to add this, so I will confirm my order. And it takes us to the login screen. So if you already have an account, just give your credentials and sign in and continue. So if you don't have any account yet, you can just simply register it and just provide the username, a password, the first name, last name and email address. So when you will click on create account and continue, it will basically take you to another screen where it may ask for payment details and address. Just provide that as well. As I already have an account, so I will use my credentials to log in. And the dashboard, we see our recently purchased domain on the top, along with some other domains. And if you don't find it here, you can just click on this domain list from the sidebar. For now I will click on the manage. So here is the detail of this domain, and on the top we can see the name of, and we can also see the auto renew option. It will renew our domain before expiry. If we scroll a bit, we can see these custom domain name server, and we will integrate our domain with the help of this custom DNS. And how we will do that, I will show you in a while. So this is all related to the domain purchase. So let's move to the next part, that is the Cloudflare setup. So Cloudflare is basically a CDN that we will use it as a bridge between our hosting and domain, and it make our site fast, and it also provide the basic layer of security, and it save our site from DDoS attack and stuff like that. So we will search their site and sign up. And here we can see the list of packages from free to enterprise level. And for this tutorial, I will use the free package. It will take us to the registration screen. So if you don't have any account, you can continue with the Google, Apple, or email and password. But I already have an account, so I will just simply log into it and it will load this dashboard for us. So let's jump to the third entity, and that is the web hosting. And for this tutorial I am going to use Orange Host. These steps are quite similar for every hosting domain name provider. I'm just using these like I already have the accounts for this. So if you are using any other hosting or domain name provider, the steps would be same. And here is the quick disclaimer as well, I'm not taking any money from these services, I'm just using them. And registration on domain and log in into it, we will access to the cPanel, and the cPanel is generally the same. On the dashboard you just simply access your cPanel, and the most important thing here is your IP address. And when you will click on this create button, it will open this plans page again. Select a free plan, and this is the most important page of the Cloudflare. Here we will integrate our domain and hosting, and here we can see the different names servers, and we will use them to integrate with our custom domain. Just simply copy this name server and paste it here in custom DNS of our domain and save them. This will integrate the Cloudflare with our domain, but now you will be wondering how we will integrate our web hosting with our Cloudflare account. So simply click on this add record button. Make sure type A is selected for IP4 address of your shared domain, and here we will enter the name of our domain like zxdf.com and copy this shared IP address, and it is just for the demo, and paste your IPv4 address here and save this record. And it will take up to 4 to 8 hours to render your site on your domain. So don't worry if you don't see the results quickly. And that's all for the Cloudflare integration. Now our cPanel is successfully integrated with the Cloudflare CDN and our custom domain. Last section we will see how we can deploy our project into the cPanel. For this, just scroll a bit and click on this domain. Click on a create new domain. Just enter your domain here, and share document is selected. Just uncheck this box. It will create a separate root file for your project, and just submit. It will add a new domain into the list, and if you click on manage, and it will take us to the details screen, and if you click further on the address of the files, it will take us to this screen. And now we can see a separate directory for this domain, and it's completely empty. In the top bar we can see the basic button. Here I will add this htaccess file. Don't worry, this file is available in the description of this video, and it will be same like for your project. Just simply download this file and upload at your hosting. And now we will upload the build of our React project here, so we can see these changes on our site. So as there are multiple files under this dist folder, so we have to create a single file, and we are going to make a zip. Just open the location of this project and then move to this folder, select them all and compress, and it's ready to upload. Just click on this upload button, select file, here we can see our compressed file. Open it. It will take a while. And now move back. Now open it and extract files here. Alright, so just delete this zip file as it is not really needed anymore. And I don't want to put into trash, so simply skip this trash. Alright, so now our React project has been uploaded into the cPanel, and after a while, like as I already mentioned, like after 6 to 8 hours, our changes will be reflected on our domain. For this demo, I am going to open the code mode site, and we can see our changes here. So that's all for this video. So once again, if you feel any issue while uploading your project into the cPanel, so please reach me out in the comment section. And if this video really helped you, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Have a nice day.